One killer. So watch you now. But they are King Jammy Studio. What's going on? Have an idea? We had the Vice new song.
I'm doing one session with one.
So I know where you say it start from. So
the root of the ground.
We'll see what going on.
Such is right. G. Landmark.
The killer, what's going on? I say you started the daytime. How the first
well, the day can be random, but this is how this day started, you know? Yeah. Come check out the legend, the boss, the king.
Yeah, so you were one word that can describe you as Bounty Killer.
Well, best word for describe Bounty Killer would be extraordinary. Nothing ordinary. I are the one.
But you were perfect Bounty Killer playlist.
Like a perfect Bounty Killer playlist.
Yeah,
well,
first five, top five.
Top five?
What you say?
Well, I rate all of my songs individually as a piece of art. I don't really like have a top piece or a top that, but fans would say Bounty Killer top 5 song would like
yo, we could go in the studio because they must have on the file them in there. Because you know say them voice. So we could go in there so alright. Alright.
Well, it would more be like a poor people fed up. I look into my eyes.
Yeah.
A book. I don't in the ghetto. A mama not in a good mood. This is the real thing, straight to dumb. One can DJ and fix the intro right and up the well, actions speak louder than word, but bad men not talk better if you observe. Yes.
What the biggest moment in your career?
2002 Super Bowl, with no doubt. I would say that the most highlight I ever get in 1 minute. Just that minute, the amount of people that saw you. That was a great moment for my career.
Yo, when I chat you out, say yo, when I hold dry throat reason.
Yes, sir. 1992, 93, that's when I really started to experience Guinness. That's when I sang the song. Excuse me, it's a little food. Drink up of Guinness.
It's a good look.
I'm a real big business. General, the emperor.
And I know you must give some word of encouragement. Give me even one line where you ever tell Killer and career will make him be this legend.
Well, me always tell him to be himself. Yeah. Don't follow nobody out there, just be yourself and just do what you have to do.
Well, there you know, Guinness, Guinness are like the foundation drink in a dancer.
No, this is the first high-end dancehall drink,
right?
Yeah, when crates of Guinness pack up in dancehall, this is the first way we use the hyper swag. Yes, so this is the founder of dancehall and the swagging, drinking. This is the first high-end liquor, so Guinness is the roots.
1, 2, 3, 4.
You look like you will sing from now till the morning. But I know the vibe, because when you're there at your birthplace, man, it come like you celebrate your birthday and the music. You see me, it's a watch man, Escobar.